welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to share this garden eggs sauce recipe with you. And so if you're watching me and you have not yet subscribed, do well to subscribe, like and share this video. So I have my garden eggs chopped into pieces. I'm going to boil it. I know usually you do this for your okra, but you can still do this for garden sauce. Okay, so I'm going to add turkey berries, some of the garden eggs that I did not chopped, and also cucumber to it. Yes, and I'm going to boil them together. Okay, so we are going to take it to fire. And so now I have my red oil on fire. I'm going to add my salted fish Kobe to it. Salted tilapia. Yes, to the red oil. And we are also going to make use of beef. Yeah, so I'm going to fry this for about 5 minutes. And then I'll take it out of the oil. So at this point, I'm going to take it out, and then the next thing that I'll add to the oil is the beef. Yes, so I'm not cooking the beef separately before I'll add it to the sauce. No. While I'm cooking, the beef will be cooked. So I'll just add it to the oil and then fry it a bit. So by the time the stew will be ready, the beef will be soft. Okay. And I'm going to add onions to it and then stir fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. And I'm going to add my blended ingredients of tomatoes, seeds, onion, garlic, ginger, pepper. Yes, and I'm going to cover and let it cook for about 10 minutes. And then at this point I'm going to add my sliced or chopped tomatoes to it, and I'm going to let it also cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or 10 minutes. Yes, so this is my turkey berries and the garden eggs and cucumber. I'm going to grind them in the apotoyua. Yes, I'm not going to use blender because I don't want it to be very smooth and I don't want it to be watery too. So this is, we are checking on our sauce. I'm going to add my spices: black pepper, white pepper, all purpose seasoning, and I'm adding the fried Kobe to it. I want it to absorb the sauce a little, and then I'll take it out of the stew again. So I just added my smoked fish also to it. So I'm going to cover this and then give it time to cool. So a little bit of water for it to loosen up. And I added negro pepper to it. Yes, you can decide to add the powdered one or the raw one. So this is my fish powder. This is dried herring, eben, eben, and I grinded it into powder. Yes, so if you have followed me for some time, you will know that I like to add negro pepper like this in my food, but you can decide to grind it and add it. So I'm taking the salted fish out, the Kobe out, because I don't want it to be tearing. Yes, okay, I'm going to add the grinded turkey berries and the cucumber to it. So I'll add it to it, and then the next thing that I'll add will be our cooked garden eggs. Yes, so I'll add that one also to it. Now the stew is looking beautiful. So yes, I'm going to take those turkey berries out of it. Some of them I couldn't find it to take it out and grind. Even some of the garden eggs, the one I'm supposed to grind, some are in, and also one cucumber was also left in there. So the ones I can take out, I'll take it out. So I'm going to cover this, give it time to cook for like 5 minutes. Yes, because everything in there is cooked. So I'm now adding salt, and I tasted. So when I tasted, I realized that the salt is is not enough, then I added salt. But from the beginning, I did not add any salt because of the beef and the Kobe. Yes. And so our stew is ready. I'm just adding, how do you call it? Onion. We are going to cover for like 2 minutes, adding the fish back to it, and that is it. So just cover for 2 minutes and the stew is ready. And so this is it, our garden eggs sauce or stew is ready. You can enjoy with your yam, your plantain, your rice, your kenke, or anything. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day.